National unity is popularly known as Rashtriya Ekata Divas. It was celebrated on 31st October. In this day, we memorize Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. This day mainly aims to uniting together among Indians.
Stand together and love one another.
Alone, we can do so little. Together, do so much.
Only to say is that India should be good producer and no one should be hungry, shedding tears for food.
Unity is strength, nation is weakness.
Let us stand tall and unite. Because the foundation of true freedom is unity.
If you want to go quickly, go alone. If you want to go far,
So stand together and we build a wonderful nation for our future.